In this guide, we will show you how to convert a Word document to Excel. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking. First, open the Word document you want to convert. If the data isn't already in a table, highlight the text, click on Insert at the top and select Table, followed by Convert Text to Table. Customize the table setting if needed. Next, go to the top left, click on File, then Save As and choose Browse. Make sure the save type is set to plain text. Name the file, choose where to save it and click Save. A pop-up will appear, click OK. Now open Excel, go to the top and click on Data. Then select from text, find the file you just saved, select it and click Import. You will be able to preview how the data will look. You can click on Load or Transform Data. If you want to make any edits, for example, you can rename columns or remove rows. When you are finished, click on Close and Load in the top left. Finally, click on File, then Save As and save it as an Excel document. You have now successfully converted a Word document to Excel. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching.